Alright, I finally got a compilation of these sounds to play on YouTube of these strange sounds coming from China that sounds like roaring. Many people said it sounds like roaring. To me, it sounds like a large group of chanting in a way that sounds like how how the monks can do over there that oh. Some people said it's the earth. Some people say it's the spirits. Some people say dragons. Some people say that that's prophecy, biblical prophecy. There's so many different theories. I'll let you decide. And it started the day before a large earthquake knocked off that very mountain. Sounds like something is very, very angry. Be honest with you. And I hear, oh, oh. It sounds like a spiritual, oh. Give your thoughts. And other people said that wow was like a growl. That was the snarl that some people reported hearing. That that snarl. Right there, like a lion snarl. This was another video that came from China days later. Maybe the earth waking up, maybe creatures in the earth, maybe spiritual stuff. That does sound like a large creature waking up. What do you think?
So yeah, there you have it, guys. Hardcore proof that these little guys are producing Godzilla-esque noises.
This guy said, yeah, there you have it. Hardcore proof that these little birds here are producing these Godzilla sounds. Here's what he has to say.
These are that it's either an LRAD, as previously mentioned in my last video, or that it's some type of cryptoid that's either being hidden by the Chinese government, or that it's just been discovered by the government.
Like this type of strange cryptid that was a picture they claimed that was taken in the fog in China.
At the end of the day, I don't think anyone really knows what these noises are if they aren't a hoax, but maybe time will tell. Who knows?
Once again, here's a compilation of the sounds only. From day after day, since July 1st, China has been hearing these sounds out of these mountains. So people went to investigate these sounds, and the government immediately, they arrested 4 people for saying it was a dragon. Why would they arrest them? They also arrested some people for trying to go further to find out where these sounds, they arrested investigators for trying to figure out where these sounds are coming from. Then they sent in some so-called experts and said it was a tiny bird that has a loud noise. Yeah, that's not a bird. If that's real, that's not a bird. Secondly, unless they're trying to hide something, why would they arrest the people who were trying to investigate the sound? And why would they tell them they couldn't go any further? It's the hills and valleys. Why would the people not be allowed to go further? Sounds to me like something's waking up or warning something or something from God. If not, and it's faked, then shame on whoever faked it. Signing out. My links are below to show support.